Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use bulk send in Docusign. The first thing you want to do is head over to your preferred browser. For me, I'll be using my Google Chrome browser. Type in docusign.com and it will take you to this page where you want to ensure that you correctly sign in or log into your Docusign account. Now, logging in or signing in entails you having your Gmail address, your passwords, phone numbers, and whatever information will be required of you to sign up. Having signed up successfully, it will take you to the official platform of the Docusign account, and this is what it looks like. So this is what the homepage looks like, where you can explore a world of activities, get your documents signed, ensure that you use templates or you upload a particular envelope you want to work with, and do a world of things. For the purpose of this video, I want to show you how to use the bulk sign-in Docusign, and you can do that in two ways. Now, the first thing you want to do is pick the templates you want to work with, or upload the document using the start button over here. So I'll just pick this template and it will take me to the next page where I will show you how to use the bulk send in Docusign. So having successfully uploaded my documents, you can see that I have the option of adding recipients, all right, to ensure that I can send in bulk. So I'll add the name of my first recipient, and then I can click on add recipient over here, add the name of the second recipient, all right, and as many recipients as possible. Before I move on, let me do well to inform you that the bulk send is a premium feature in Docusign, and if I had that available, all right, you would see the option listed here, and I'll just have to click on that to bulk send my document in Docusign. Another way you can also bulk send is that you head over to the agreement page over here. As you can see, click on that and it will give you a list of options by the left hand corner over here. As you can see, now down here we have the bulk send option, right? I'll click on that, and as you can see, with bulk send I can send a list of documents at once, or I can send a document to a number of persons at once. Now, because this is not a pro feature, you can see that I have the upgrade option over here to save me time to bulk send. So if I decide to upgrade my Docusign account, I will be able to send a number of documents or a particular document to a number of persons, whichever one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that with these few steps you've been able to understand or learn how to bulk send in Docusign. Until next time, bye for now.